In this video, we are going to understand a key pillar of India's reformed judicial system, the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, or BSA 2023, was enacted to consolidate, simplify, and modernize the law of evidence in India. It incorporates key developments in digital forensics, electronic communication, and modern data formats. Its core objective is to ensure that justice is based on reliable, relevant, and technologically valid evidence. A question arises: why was a new evidence law needed? The Indian Evidence Act of 1872 was written under colonial rule, long before the internet, smartphones, or data encryption. It lacked provisions for digital records, metadata, cloud storage, and electronic communications. As digital interactions have become central to both crime and justice, a modern legal framework became necessary. Now, let's discuss the key focus areas of BSA 2023. Digital and electronic records are now fully admissible. Metadata, audio and video files, and cloud-based logs are recognized as evidence. Witness protection, remote testimony, and digital documentation are formalized. The law also clearly defines burden of proof, presumptions, and privileged communication. The Adhiniyam grants evidentiary value to WhatsApp messages, emails, text messages, digital signatures, cloud-stored files, video and audio recordings. Even data authenticated through blockchain and verified digital certificates can be submitted in court. Witnesses can testify via video conferencing. Statements can be recorded in audio-video format. Courts can summon or record depositions from remote locations. This reduces delays and increases safety, especially for vulnerable witnesses. Now, let's discuss the admissibility of evidence. Only relevant, lawfully obtained, and voluntarily given evidence will be admissible. The law continues to reject evidence obtained through coercion, torture, or manipulation. Electronic evidence must be supported by a valid certificate under Section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act, now aligned with the new provisions. Now let's discuss the burden of proof and presumptions in the context to BSA 2023. The burden of proof refers to the obligation of a party to prove the facts they are asserting in a legal case. In simple terms, it means the responsibility to convince the court that what you are saying is true. Statutory presumptions are legal assumptions that the court accepts as true unless proven otherwise. Under the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, the burden of proof lies with the person who asserts a fact in court. There are statutory presumptions in place for documents like certified copies, official records, and electronic communications. In certain cases, such as dowry death, custodial death, or possession of stolen property, the law allows the burden of proof to shift to the accused. This ensures that where there is a strong presumption of wrongdoing, the accused must offer a credible explanation. There are also some privileged communications. The law respects confidentiality in the following cases: spousal communications, attorney-client communication, state secrets and official communications. Such privileged exchanges are protected and cannot be forced into evidence. Let's discuss the scope of relevant facts. Facts related to motive, preparation, and conduct are considered relevant. Events forming part of the same transaction are also admissible. Background facts, circumstances, and explanatory context may be brought into evidence where necessary. The impact of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam is as follows. Courtrooms will see greater reliance on digital proof. Remote hearings and online submissions will reduce delays. Faster trials with less dependency on physical evidence. Victim and witness safety will improve through protected and remote testimony. As far as implementation is concerned, the Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam will apply to all cases initiated after its official commencement, as notified by the central government. All cases prior to that will continue under the Indian Evidence Act, 1872. To wrap it up, the Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam 2023 is a forward-looking, tech-enabled reform. It ensures that courts can rely on authentic, secure, and relevant evidence, whether physical or digital. By prioritizing transparency, legality, and efficiency, this law marks a significant shift in how justice is delivered in India.